Chief Minister and Biren raised concern for unnatural growth of 996 new villages in state due to illegal immigrants. The Chief Minister on Monday night posted a thread on social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, along with a video stating it as a threat to indigenous people and national security. He questioned if people will accept the unnatural growth of new villages and population causing massive changes to demography in their own state or country due to influx of illegal immigrants. It also mentioned that the government is confronting the issue within the nation, especially in Manipur. Several new villages have emerged due to the massive influx of illegal immigrants from Myanmar since 2006 till date. During this period, massive forest cover has been destroyed to establish settlements as well as to eradicate poppy plantations. Chief Minister further compared deportation of illegal immigrants by BJP-led government and the Ministry of Home Affairs with the Rishi Sunak-led UK government's unyielding commitment to do the same. The Chief Minister also slammed certain sections of people, calling his government communal when it was only asserting itself on the issue as the British Prime Minister did.